And how about these problems where you're asked to calculate how many molecules there are in a given volume of a solution? Well, it's easy. Again, just break it down into steps that you can already do. So first of all, we can work out how many moles. How many moles do you have? And then just use Avogadro's constant to work out how many molecules in that many moles. Easy peasy. So for example, if I were to ask you how many molecules are there in, let's say, 10 microliters of a 1 millimolar solution. Now this is already a molar concentration, but if this had been a grams per litre, weight per volume, if this were a weight per volume concentration, you could convert it to a molar concentration. First of all, that's the first thing you need to do. Okay, so first of all, how many moles do we have? So we know that a 1 molar solution has 1 mole per litre. Per 1 litre, for every 1 litre, but we don't have a 1 molar solution, we have a 1 millimolar solution, which is 1 times 10 to the minus 3 molar. So this is divided by 1000, and so that corresponds, so then we also have to divide the number of moles by 1000, so that's 1 times 10 to the minus 3 moles per 1 litre, and we don't have 1 litre, we have 10 microliters, so that's 10 times 10 to the minus 6 litres. So to go from there to there, we have to divide by 10 to the power 5, because 10 times 10 to the minus 6 is 1 times 10 to the minus 5 litres. And so we also, to keep the same concentration, we also have to divide our number of moles by the same number. So that's divided by 10 to the 5. So that would give us 1 times 10 to the minus 8 moles in our 10 microliters to get our 1 millimolar concentration. So that's how many moles we've got. And so step 2, we then have to work out how many molecules there are in that many moles, and we know that 1 mole corresponds to 6.022 times 10 to the 23 molecules, but we don't have 1 mole, we have 1 times 10 to the minus 8 mole. Oops. Wanted that to be green. So we got that number from here. And so to get from there to there, we have to divide by 10 to the 8. And so we also have to divide this number by 10 to the 8. And so that gives us 6.022 times 10 to the power 15 molecules. And that's the answer. So that's just 2 steps that are quite simple to get to our answer, and we could have added a third simple step at the beginning if it had been a weight per volume concentration.